Okay, I want to factor this trinomial completely. And what that means is you factor it into two binomials. What's nice is when you don't have a number there, because the only way to get x squared is x times x. And so if I multiply this out, if I FOIL this out, x times x, I get x squared. So then next what you do is you look at this number and you think of what are two numbers you can multiply and get 35. But then you're also looking at, and then you also could add or subtract to get 2x. Well, I see there's no way to get a 2 out of 35 plus 1 or 35 minus 1, so that doesn't work. I do see if I had a 5 and a 7, and if I was subtracting 7 minus 5, I would get 2. So it looks like the 5 and the 7 will work. Notice when this sign is negative, one of these needs to be negative, right? A negative 7 times 5 or a negative 5 times 7. How you decide which one is negative, you look at that sign. So the positive needs to be on the larger value, because if I FOIL this now, so I have x times x, x squared. I have x times 7 plus 7x. Now I have minus 5x and then minus 35, and I combine these, x squared plus 2x minus 35. So what's nice about these, right, is you can actually check your answer if you take the time to FOIL these out. And I'm going to bring up another one here. So the next one that popped up on my screen is x squared plus 7x plus 2. I want to do the same thing. I know x and x. Well, the issue here is what two numbers can you multiply to get 2? I think those are the only two numbers that I can multiply and get 2. But I don't think there's any way you're going to add these or subtract them to get this value. So there's no way to actually factor this, and we call this being prime.